Imagine a young dentist becomes a dental director of a brand new dental program. There are 5 brand new chairs, a dental assistant, hygienist, and a front office person. And for 12 years, the clinic happily serves an urban community of 160,000 people, with most living at or below the federal poverty line. Everything seems to be going well, until one day, the CEO shuts the door to his office and says, "The board wants to know why we're losing money." And the dental director realizes that he's never once had a conversation about any financial issue involved in running the day-to-day business operations of the dental clinic. So he says, "We'll figure it out and we'll fix it." So they start collecting data on all aspects of the practice, and they take a hard look at themselves. And lo and behold, over the next few years, they see steady improvements across the board. And before you know it, they're operating in the black. Now, people start talking. And the problem is, there are other dental directors in the same boat. They were trained as dentists, but they never had any formal business training, particularly around running a dental practice, providing treatment and services to underserved populations. The solution was clear, and Safety Net Solutions was born. In the first year, they took what they'd learned and helped 3 centers turn things around. In year 2, they helped 18, and in year 3, it was up to 75. Clearly, they had tapped into a need. Today, Safety Net Solutions has worked with over 500 FQHCs. And by applying the lessons learned since we first began, we've been able to implement policies and procedures that will result in a measurably more efficient and effective oral health safety net system.
How many of you feel like you're experts with caries risk assessment right now?
We've also built a tremendous team of colleagues and contributors who remain passionately committed to our vision of not only helping dentists, but all stakeholders build a financially responsible business model that will enable them to provide better oral health care for all. Now the goal is to take what we've learned and expand our reach even further with a comprehensive and tested curriculum that yields positive, profitable, and sustainable results. Because with all the uncertainty around healthcare these days, if ever there was a need for management tools that will enable us to transform the way that dental care is provided, measured, and paid for, it's now. Please join all of us here at DentaQuest in our commitment to improve efficiencies that will make oral health care more accessible, equitable, and affordable for all.